Okay, the back side of this, these are our pyramids. Okay, pyramids, we'll use a little bit different formula. We'll start on this guy. So just for pyramids, it's kind of funky, but your base will be what it's sitting on. And this one's weird because it's a triangular pyramid. So my base is actually a triangle also. So we unfold that, and there's my base. Okay, so let's look at our formula chart and figure out what the volume formula is. So volume of a pyramid, 1/3 capital BH. So in our mind, we want to see it as base times height, area of the base times height, divided by 3. That's a little bit easier to manage for us. So volume equals area of the base times height divided by 3. So first of all, since this is what our whole pyramid is sitting on, that is our base. So let's solve for that area. So we want to do area of a triangle, so base times height divided by 2. So 7.4 times 5 divided by 2. So 7.4 times 5, and then 37 divided by 2. So my area of the base, I end up with 18.5. 18.5 times, now I want the height of the whole prism. So that's another tricky part. So the height of the whole prism. So since this is my base, this can't, we don't have any height to that. That's just what it's sitting on. So the height has to be the height of our face over here, okay? A little bit different, a little bit more complicated than the just between your two bases. But it's gonna be the height of the face. So in this case, the height of our face is 6. So we would do 18.5 times 6 and then divided by 3. If you can kind of see that these two, like 6 can divide by 3 evenly, then you can make that shortcut. If you can't see that, and that's gonna throw you off if you try to see that, then work it out full on. Work out 18.5 times 6, then divide by 3. But if you're taking this video and you want to take these notes, 6 can divide by 3. 6 divided by 3 would be 2. So that kind of makes it a little bit easier on us. So 18.5 times 2. 16, 17 to 3. So my volume should be 37 centimeters cubed. 37 centimeters cubed. Then let's look at our next pyramid. So we've got volume of, okay, so same thing, volume equals area of the base times height divided by 3. So we're gonna say that the area of the base, in this case, since the base is what it's sitting on, this guy is my base. So if we look at the 3D version of that, a little bit off, but pretty similar. My base here is more of a rectangle, but same idea, okay? So that's what it's gonna sit on, so that means that's my base. So area of the base, capital B, since my base is a rectangle, I would just do base times height. So 16.3 times 8.25. So 16.3 times 8.25. Again, if you did the surface area, you've got this one. 31, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 12, 2, 3, 24, 48, 49, 50, 8, 9, 10, 13. So the area of my base 134.48, we'll say. So capital B, 134.48 times the height of the whole prism. So most of the times if you're given a pyramid, it'll just show you the 3D version. It won't show you the net. So, and most of the times there will be on your picture a dotted line that'll represent the height, kind of like that, but it'll be the 3D version. So your height would be 9.4, so times 9.4, and then divided by 3. For our sake of our brains, let's round this up and make that 134.5 times 9.4. So 16, 17, 18, 12, 13, 4, 5. So I've got 45, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 10, 12. And then, so that was my base times my height, and then I want to divide that by 3. I'm gonna run out of room. Okay, I'm gonna stop there, but 421.6 centimeters